There is just not enough time in the world for us to go around to every state and every city and everywhere we want to be.
I'm currently living in Germany right now.
Johannesburg, South Africa.
Brazil.
Barcelona.
Outside Toronto. And those places you can go.
This entire process is exactly what we intended it to be, which is really, truly inclusive.
This is the most amazing thing about this Zoom casting, because I've literally spoke to people all over the world.
While they waited for their audition, they were able to hang out with a good squad member who was playing fun music and just hyping everyone up.
Making sure wherever you are, in whichever country, actually we get an opportunity to see you and to hear from you. I'm so grateful for Zoom's partnership, because there literally is no other way to do that other than through Zoom.